This is the service elevator at the Courtyard, Secaucus, New Jersey. I meant to film this one in August when I filmed the passengers, but it was broken. Sounds like a hydro. Might be traction though. Oh, this is the nicest service elevator I've ever seen. Always hydraulic. Signal going down, motor going up. Let's go to lobby. We're on lobby, staff area. Let's go to 7. And here comes the motor. Signal sounds regardless of whether or not you hit the button. That's strange. I'm definitely gonna get a sample of that motor again. Cab's the same as the passengers. A little bigger though, it's 3,000 pounds. Monitor TR fixtures. I'm impressed. That's 3 7-story hydros with epic motors. I was heading up. Forget it then. Try to get the sample. That is impressive. There it goes. No.